Hi everybody, it's your girl Kim and I'm back again. I'm back again with another video. Yes. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Okay, y'all, your girl is back again. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching all of my videos, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat, and following me on Instagram, and following or using my hashtag Kimble Lit Wicks or Kimble Lit Wick. If you are doing all of those things, you are my MVP. My MVP of the channel, and because of you, yo girl keep posting. Okay, y'all, I haven't did a review in a while, in a long time. Let me get some lotion too, y'all. Y'all already know your girl hands be ashy, and it is so cold today. Oh my goodness. That's the reason why I can't believe Bath and Body Works didn't bring that True Blue Spa lotion back. For these months, these colder months, that's the best lotion to have. It truly works. But we're gonna talk about this candle, this dark amber and oud. Y'all already know, if you be on my sip and chat, you already know my love and my passion for these type of scent notes. I absolutely love candles like this. As I always say, this is grown and sexy. I love when Bath and Body Works do stuff like this, use different type of scents, unique scents, unique notes. Absolutely love it. And y'all know I was super excited about this candle. This was the one that I really wanted. If I couldn't find anything, y'all know I wanted this one. The scent notes is dark amber, fresh rainwater, and oud. Super nice. If you don't like masculine scent or men's cologne, you will not like this. This is what this is. And when they first said that oud note, I thought it was going to be a deep wood like scent, deep smoky like. That's what I thought, because most of the time, most oud fragrance is usually heavy, a heavy fragrance. And when I first smelled this, the very first cologne I thought about was Old School Fahrenheit by Christian Dior. I believe that's who make it. Christian Dior Fahrenheit. That's super old. Everybody was wearing that in the 90s. So that was the first thing I thought about, smelling it on cold. On cold, it did come off as strong. Once I burned the candle, I lit the wicks as well as put it on this warmer, this top light warmer. This is from OUD. Hopefully everybody grabbed one when they came out. If you didn't, you can always go somewhere like Hobby Lobby. You can look on Amazon. Check in the description box. I have a link for a lamp warmer. No, it's not a lantern. It's not made like this, but check in the description box and you could maybe order or see the one that I use in the dining room. Works perfect. It was on the warmer for about 6 hours. This is probably like my third time burning it. I thought this candle was going to be a deep, heavy candle, deep, smoky, wood like, very warm because of that amber note is what I thought. So yes, when the first thing I'm sorry, yeah, I just got home from work. But the first thing I think of when I think of amber is smoky, a warm note. That's the first thing I think of. And I could be wrong. I don't know. But as far as the oud part, the oud comes from a tree. So wood, smoky, and then that fresh rainwater, I get those notes. It is slightly sweet. It is slightly heavy, but it still has a freshness to it. It's just good, y'all. I like it. I really like it. But like I said, I thought it was going to be a little bit more heavier. And not to say I'm disappointed, because I'm not, because I love the candle. Most definitely going to grab backups on backups on backups. You heard me. Got to. So, because I don't think this candle will ever come back. Y'all know how Bath and Body Works do. They could be one and done with a scent super quick. So, because I like this blend, I'm going to make sure that I get a couple jars of this particular blend. Even if it do come out next year, sometimes it kind of changes. So, most definitely going to try to grab a couple more of this candle. I don't know how many, but I'm most definitely going to grab a couple more. But getting back to what I was talking about, it most definitely give you that slightly sweet, slightly fresh, but still like a warm scent. I like it. I like it. It is very much unique. And like I said in the beginning, if you don't like masculine scents, if that's not your cup of tea, I don't buy it. Because I'm just here to tell you, you're not going to like this. Yes, it's fresh. Also, if you like men's cologne that's more of a fresh, this will be good for you as well. It's not heavy like a tobacco. Like if you grab some of the tobacco candles, they could be very heavy. That smoky, heavy scent. This isn't that. This is more light, fresh, even though it's still kind of warm because of the wood and the amber, but it's still fresh because of that rainwater. At first I was like, what the heck is rainwater? But I honestly, I could detect that in this. As far as the throw isn't great, y'all. I'm here to tell y'all, this room is probably 11 by 10. It's not big at all, and it's still throwing at a medium. So I know if I was to burn this candle out there in a dining room / living room, I won't be able to smell it. It'll be very, very light. So this is most definitely a small room candle. If you go anywhere else, you're probably gonna need maybe 2. I'm just saying. No, it's not light. it's not throwing light like honey wildflower. Now we all know honey wildflower is a very, very low throw to no throw, but I love it. So it's not like that at all. This is very much a average throwing candle in a medium to small size room. But again, I know I'm gonna keep on saying this. If you don't like masculine scents, do not buy this. You won't like it. I grabbed this Ocean because the freshness I thought was similar to Ocean, but I can't tell because my lid is a little fishy, so I can't even really tell on Ocean. But it most definitely has a freshness to it, and I think when you first light it, that freshness don't really come out until it kind of is in the room and you walk out the room and come back. Then you like, oh wow, this is nice. You know, I really enjoy it. You know, I like it, and I do recommend it only if you like scents like this. If you don't like scents like this, I say stand clear. Yeah, don't even waste your time with it because I don't think you will like it. I actually really, really enjoyed this. Okay, y'all, I forgot all about this candle. I forgot a couple of months ago I bought this OUD candle from Goose Creek. I think this was the Black Friday sale, I believe, that I got this candle. But the thing is, I haven't burned it yet. I have not lit this candle yet. I did like the other candles that I got. The other ones that I got is that the honey candle, the vanilla honey or honey vanilla or whatever it is. I did burn those, but I forgot all about this OUD candle. And does it smell similar to Bath and Body Works Dark Amber and OUD? I kind of feel like they are kind of similar. I'm not saying that they are the same, but they got some of the same notes in them. I think the Goose Creek candle is a little bit more complicated because it has bergamot, it has sandalwood, of course the oud, the amber. It has a lot of different things in it. The eucalyptus, the cedar. It has a lot of different stuff in this one. So I think this is really a little bit more heavy on the notes versus this one just only have those 3 notes and it's more of a fresh. I do still feel like this is kind of sort of, dang, dug my finger in it, kind of fresh as well. So I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna compare the two, and I know this isn't probably coming in good, but I will try to compare the two to see. But what I am noticing since I put this candle out, I'm noticing when it's out, you get more of that deep woody like scent. But when it's burning, I get a whole lot of the freshness, that rain water note. I get a lot of that. But now that I've put it out, I really get that wood. And that could be just the smoke mixed in with all of the scents, and it's just really bringing that wood note out. This is it, y'all. I really like this candle. So yeah, I just wanted to insert that little bit because I had completely forgot. I dug my fingernail in that and I didn't even mean to, but I had completely forgot that I had got this oud candle from Goose Creek. Leave in the comments, let me know, what do you think about this candle? Have you got your hands on this candle? I cannot wait for a buy to get to. I'm just saying. So yeah, don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram. Follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks, KimbleLitWick. Follow those hashtags as well as use them. Don't forget to hit that bell. Hit the bell. I know I keep forgetting to say it, but please hit the bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna get out of here because I'm dragging it. I'm dragging this one way out further than what it needs to be drawn out. So all right, I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.